This is your passport. So you can see there are 3 floors. Usually the first floor is for security check. The second floor is for ticket check. So later you're gonna scan the passport at the same time scan your face. So the third floor is line up for the cable car. There is a block or something? Yeah. Oh! I saw that's a bug. Okay, we go this way. I'm gonna show you our route from the map, okay? Usually there are 2 ways to go up the mountain. The first way is taking the long cableway to the middle station. Then we're gonna transfer another minibus driving along the 99 turn zigzag road to the Tianmen Mountain Square, where you can see the 999 step and the cave. Then the second way to go up the mountain is taking the faster cable car. Go directly to the faster cable car station, then walk along the Fuyuan Pass to the Tianmen Mountain Square. So today we are taking this road, line A, okay?
Can you walk up here?
You can also walk up here.
No, from there to there?
No, the only way to go up is by the cable car. So after we arrive at this place, you have 2 ways to go up. The first way is climb the 999 steps. And the second way is taking the escalator, transport us to the bottom of the cave. After we arrive here, we're gonna take the rest of the 7 escalators to the top of the mountain. Then after we arrive at the top of the mountain, we're gonna walk the whole circle back to this place. Then take the escalators, go down the mountain back to the Tianmen Mountain Square. Then after this place, we're gonna walk along the Fuyuan Pass to the faster cable car station. Take the faster cable car, go down the mountain to this place. After here, we're gonna transfer another shuttle bus for 12 minutes back to the cable car station. Then that's the whole route for today, okay?
One question, Tianmen.
Tianmen
Tianmen, is it the same word as the Tiananmen Square in Beijing?
Yeah, the same words. But the Tiananmen, there is an means safety in the middle. So Tiananmen Square with Tianmen Mountain Square is 2 different. But Tianmen is the same character. So Tianmen in Chinese means the gate to heaven. So we believe if you climb up the heaven ladder, you're gonna go to the heaven. But of course, after we died, okay? Not immediately. We go this way. So you're gonna scan your passport here, okay? At the same time, scan your face. Yeah, this way. Okay. So now we go to the 3rd floor, line up for the cable car. This way. 往前走吧。
So what are you using the video for?
Like for a vlogger or for some advertisement?
Okay.
Travel with us wherever you roam. Asia Odyssey travel. Your heart's true home, with 10 years of wisdom and passion deep. We'll help you see the world in memories to keep. Travel with us wherever you roam. Asia Odyssey travel, your heart's true home. With 10 years of wisdom and passion deep, we'll help you see the world in memories to keep. From bustling city streets to tranquil shores so serene, every journey's a masterpiece with sights yet unseen. Embrace the world's diversity, it's called Asia Odyssey travel, discover this world. Travel with us, wherever you roam. Asia Odyssey travel, your heart's true home. With 10 years of wisdom and passion deep, we'll help you see the world in memories to keep. Mountains high, oceans wide, cultures old and new. Asia Odyssey travel, making dreams come true. With every step you take, a story to be told. Let's wonder, let's wonder, let's watch our world unfold. Travel with us, wherever you...
One, two, good. Would you mind to take a photo with the fly? One, two, good.
Ok, Robin, merci. De l'observation.
Watch the step. This is the cave, the gate to heaven.
Oh, wow.
It's naturally shaped one, not artificial.
Symmetrically.
Yeah. And the cave is 131 meters. But how about Machu Picchu? Have you been Machu Picchu before?
7.
7.
London, the United Kingdom, and you go and you take the under.
Focus on the hills. More focus on the body hills now.
这个桥呢，是整个天门山呢，要爬台阶爬的是很高的。
That's where they do the suit flying. Yeah.
Oh my
They jump from that place. Watch your stop here.
什么片长打？
Excuse me. Excuse me. From that corner, you can see the back of the cave. That corner is the best view spot. Yeah. So pretty. That corner is the best view spot. And dance. Oh, that's cool, actually.
By me, and it's a warrior dance.
Oh, warrior dance.
Muscles here.
So all the boys are get good muscles. Yeah. And here, can you see the big tree in front of us? We call that love between wood and stone. So there is a story behind this scenery spot. So during the ancient time, there is a scholarship who lived on the top of the mountain with his wife. At that time, he wanted to work for the government. But if you want to work for the government, you need to pass the national examinations. He took the examination for 7 times, but all failed. So after the failure, she felt so sad. Then the wife said, if the tree grows up from the stone, then you're going to take part in the test and you're going to pass it. So then she started irrigating the stone every day. But someday, somehow, the tree just grew up from the stone. We don't know why. Maybe his devotion moved the god or something. Yeah. Then the man, her husband, went to take part in the examinations. Then he passed that. So after this story, lots of the Chinese parents will bring their children to the top of the mountain to pray. Even my parents. When I was so young, when I was 7 years old, my parents started to take me to the top of the mountain to write down their wish. I wish I can get a good scores. But I do get a good scores.
That's right. It works.
It works.
Your brother works for the government.
That's true.
Yeah. So your parents must be very proud of you.
Maybe they never say that, but maybe. Thank you.
आज ज़्यादा अभी तक नहीं चले हो बेटा
You want to have a baby, you want to first yourself. You come here. He practiced Dutch, he practiced climb on the wall.
Hands that way. I can do it. Hello, lady. Open. Open. Okay. Together. Together. Yeah. Open. 1, 2, 3.
The exit of the glass walkway, but the entrance is on the other side. So we walk up to the entrance, then later we're gonna go up again. It's one way.
Then, check in with the QR code as you order. One reminder, children over 1.
现在建那个大的了，就那么好。
A video of eating the spider.
这个在这个上面的话，就是一种微型的汽车来实现的这个地方。那刚才的话，它每次就是我们刚才。
So you see that it's very easy to travel to the station. Yeah, it's very different.
Dragon climbing the mountain because it was built in the mid-air and the shape looks like the dragon.
Oh.
It's 26 people inside and it will take us 7 minutes to go down the mountain.
所以这个卫生间是最近的，不要去卫生间的就在这里休息一下啊。建议大家都去一个卫生间，都去一个卫生间啊。
On the left side, you see there are 4 characters in the middle of the mountain. That means 曲道通天, which means the curved road to the heaven. The 99 zigzag roads to heaven.